Good morning. Thank you for joining us. This is the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Sunday, September 20th. As far as weather impact summary here for the next few days, not a whole lot to talk about. Here today and tomorrow, expecting generally clear conditions with seasonal temperatures. As we get into Tuesday, we will have a weak system that moves through. Might produce a few showers, maybe some thunderstorms across the eastern highlands, but generally it's going to be unseasonably warm and dry once again as we get through much of next week. We will have potential for some gustier winds across the central mountains Thursday and maybe again on Friday, leading to some potential red flag concerns. And then our next storm system will move in at the end of the week, bringing some cooler temperatures and perhaps some precipitation, although there is still some uncertainty with specific impacts and timings, as the models still haven't come into good agreement with that system. Taking a look at the satellite across the Pacific this morning, we can see this area of low pressure. That's what brought us the cloud cover and rain yesterday. That's moved off into Montana, and behind that system, as you can see, not a whole lot going on across much of Idaho and Oregon. Generally clear skies today. That being said, our weather impacts here for the next few days, not a whole lot. Will be a little bit breezy today across the Snake Plain, perhaps 15 to 20 miles per hour, but nothing overly concerning. And as we progress through the week, we will get some breezy conditions again on Tuesday and Thursday in spots. And I did mention that potential for some scattered showers, perhaps a few thunderstorms across the eastern highlands Tuesday afternoon and evening. But for the most part, most of the area is expected to remain dry here for the next few days. We do still have the lingering air quality issues, mostly from the local fires at this point. We've kind of cleared out some of that smoke from the California and Oregon fires here behind this weather system, but still have some lingering air quality issues from the local fires, so that will continue here for the rest of today. As far as temperatures are concerned, much cooler than what we've seen over the last few days. Clear skies expected, mostly clear skies today, with the temperatures, as you can see, generally in the mid to upper 60s to the few lower 70s as you get into the Magic Valley and the lower Snake Plain. So a pretty nice way to end the weekend compared to the cloud cover and rain that we saw yesterday. With those cooler temperatures, our relative humidity minimum values for the day will remain well above critical levels. So hopefully that can help alleviate some of the fire concerns that we've had here. And it will be cool once again on Monday morning, kind of similar to what we're seeing this morning, temperature-wise, mid to upper 30s across the mountain zones in the upper Snake Plain, and as you get down to the lower Snake Plain and Magic Valley, mid to upper 40s as you wake up tomorrow, Monday morning. High temperatures will start to rebound as we get into Monday. Once again, above normal for this time of year. Generally, we would expect some middle 70s across the Snake Plain. So temperatures will again be running about 5 to perhaps up to 7 degrees above normal once we get into Monday, and that trend will continue through much of this upcoming week. As those temperatures go up, we will start to see the minimum relative humidity values start to creep down a little bit, still above critical levels for the most part, but those RH values are getting a little bit lower, and it'll kind of stay in this range for much of the week. So again, summing all that up, clear with seasonal temperatures here for the next few days, but then when we return to the unseasonably warm and dry conditions for much of this week, we do have some potential red flag concerns as we get later on into the week, mostly for some gustier winds, with those RH values hovering potentially near critical levels. And then we will see another storm system move in at the end of the week and into next weekend, bringing back some cooler temperatures with that, but again, still some uncertainty with specifics on timing and whatnot, so that'll be something to focus on here on our end for the next few days. But as of right now, looks like most of the precip should hold off until at least Saturday, but things can change, so we'll keep an eye on it. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you, and have a great Sunday.